Hey guys, what's going on? James here, back with getonstream.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and enable VODs on your Twitch channel. It's going to be a super quick video. We're going to get straight into it, show you how to enable VODs and also where to find them in 2021. So this is my Twitch homepage right here. Yours will look something similar to this. So what we want to do to enable VODs is head up to the top right hand corner right here and click on your profile picture. When you click on that, select creator dashboard, and this is going to bring up all of your creator settings. You want to scroll down to the settings tab, then we want to go to stream, and in here if we scroll down you'll see this tab right here called VOD settings. You want to make sure that store past broadcasts is enabled right here, and this will automatically save broadcast for up to 16 days. However, if you're a Prime user, you have an Amazon Prime attached to your account, or you're a Twitch partner, you will be able to save them VODs for 60 days. So that's now enabled. I'd also recommend it down here to enable clips so that people can go ahead and create clips of your streams and then you can use them on other social media platforms. But also, where do you find your VODs whenever you have them saved? To find your VODs, you want to come into this content section right here in your creator dashboard, click on video producer, and in here you'll see all of your past broadcasts that you have done. If you want to download a VOD so that you can use it on maybe YouTube or TikTok, you can come over here to the right hand side, click these three dots, and then select download. Whenever you click download, it may take a few minutes depending on the length of your VOD to go ahead and process the video. Once that's done, it will just go ahead and download into your downloads in your browser and your computer. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys did enjoy it and you want to see more of these quick tips, please do subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this summer. Go ahead and hit that like button if it helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.